In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can set up shipping settings in your Shopify store. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery. After that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click here. As you can see, general to shipping, you want to click here. Now, as you can see, I have already enabled international shipping on my Shopify, so I'm going to delete every single thing so that I can show you guys how you can do this from scratch. I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to start doing this from scratch so that I can show you guys how you can set up shipping settings on your Shopify store. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to click on settings and shipping and delivery. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here, as you can see here, and then you need to enable the international shipping. So you want to click on create zone, and here you want to name the zone. If you don't want to enable international shipping, that's fine, you don't have to. You can just charge, for example, if you are shipping, for example, to United States only and you live in United States, then you can just click on these three little dots, click on edit rate, and then you can charge how much money you want to charge for the shipping, for example $20. Click done, and that's it. Now each one, like everyone checks the product inside your Shopify store, they are going to be like they are going to be charged $20. As you can see, it's a different currency, I know that, guys. So if you want to set up international shipping, you want to click on create zone, click and name the zone. You don't need to, like, nobody's going to see it, so just name it, for example countries I ship to. Don't worry, customers won't be able to see this. And then you can select all the countries that you want to ship to. For example, if you want to ship to all international countries, you just need to enable it here. But if you want to ship, for example, only to Canada, Australia, Belgium, Australia, you can just do one by one, then click done. Now after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, is you need to click on add rate, and here you want to charge how much money you are going to like you are going, like, each time someone visits your Shopify store, they will see this price in the shipping section. So just add the shipping price, or you can just offer free shipping. You just need to add 0.00, then click done. So that's all you need to do, guys, to set up shipping settings on Shopify. Hopefully this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.